Revolutionize your warehouse operations with drone-based inventory management.
In today's fast-paced business environment, accurate inventory management is crucial for efficient supply chain operations. However, manual counting and tracking can be time-consuming and prone to errors. That's why our team at Mastech Innovation has developed a cutting-edge solution using AI-powered drones. With our NVIDIA Jetson-powered drone solution, along with Voltio Edge and ServiceNow integration becomes more efficient, accurate, and cost-effective. Our AI-powered solution can extract barcodes and QR codes from the captured images, allowing for seamless tracking and management of inventory items. This technology can be integrated with existing inventory management systems, providing real-time updates and reducing the risk of human error. At Mastech Innovation, we're committed to harnessing the power of AI and drone technology to transform industries and improve lives.